Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make image to cartoon image in Canva or ghibli image in Canva. It's very easy. Just open your Canva and just drag and drop your image. This is my image. I am going to cartoonify this image. Click on this image and after that click on apps and just write in search button cartoonify. And just click here cartoonify and click on cartoonify and replace. It will take few seconds to generate the image. Now it's done. Now you can make easily in Canva cartoonify image or ghibli image. Thank you. Have a nice day.